Hello and welcome to another tutorial from Complete Computer Know-How. In this tutorial we'll be doing an installation of Malwarebytes. The first thing that you need to do is to download the software. You can get this from one or two places. The first one is from the Malware actual site, and the second one is from the Complete Computer Know-How website under the Downloads tab. The first thing you need to do once you've downloaded the software is to double click on the installation icon. The first screen that you will see is just a warning from Microsoft saying that this software could be harmful to your computer. We know the software isn't, so we can click on the Run button. The next screen that you will see is the Select Startup Language. This by default is set to English, but from the drop down menu there are various languages that you can select. This window is the Welcome to the Malwarebytes Anti-malware Setup Wizard. This basically is just letting us know what version we're about to install, whether we want to continue or cancel with the setup. This is the licensing agreement. We have two options here that need to be ticked before we can move on. The first one is to say that we accept the licensing agreement, and the second one is to say that I accept that this software is for non-commercial use only. That means that this software can only be used at home and not within a business. If you wanted to use it for business, then you would need to purchase the full version. This window is just showing some new features, improvements, and some fixed issues from the last version that was released. Right, this window is just showing us whereabouts the software is about to be installed. You can change the destination of where the software is installed by clicking on the Browse button, but we're going to leave it where it is and click on the Next. This is for the startup. Basically, when your computer starts up, certain pieces of software that have been loaded within the startup menu will be loaded. As this is like an anti-malware software, we want protection as soon as the computer is switched on. So this is just letting us know that it will be placed within the startup menu. The next screen, we have two options here. The first one is whether we want to put a icon on our desktop, and the second one is whether we want to put a quick launch icon. We're just going to stay with the create a desktop icon and click on Next. Right, this is just saying that we're ready to install. It's taken all the settings that we've put in, so we can click on the install button. Right, this is the completion of the installation window. Right, we have two options on here. It has both of these selected. The first one is update Malwarebytes and the second one is to launch Malwarebytes. We're going to leave both selected and click on finish. Right, as you can see, Malwarebytes is now downloading all the updates for the software. Obviously the time within this window will be determined by your internet connection speed. Right, that's the download complete. That's saying that the database within the software is now up to date. Right, as you can see that it's just launched the software. We did leave this option selected. From here I do suggest, if it's the first time that you've installed it, that you do a full scan. That's the end of the tutorial. If you have any questions regarding the tutorial, if you'd like to go to the Contact Us tab and fill in the form, and I'll be happy to answer your question via email. Thanks again for watching.